You don't have to feel confident to be confident. That's not something we're taught. Most of us have been conditioned to believe confidence comes after the transformation, after the weight is lost, the habit is built, the achievement is earned. But what if I told you confidence isn't something you chase, it's something you remember? Hi, I'm Victoria, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop trying to force confidence and start reclaiming it from the inside out. Not through mindset hacks or power poses, but through nervous system healing, feminine embodiment, and deep reconnection to your core. So here's the truth that changed everything for me and for the hundreds of women that I have coached over the years. Confidence is not a mindset, it's a regulated nervous system. If your body is constantly in survival mode, clenching, bracing, rushing, overthinking, then no amount of affirmations will make you feel confident because your nervous system doesn't feel safe. And if your body doesn't feel safe, your brain is going to keep you in protection mode. You'll keep over-preparing, over-apologizing, over-giving, and the list goes on and on. Not because you're insecure, but because your body has learned that visibility isn't safe. And it's not a flaw, it's not a failure, it's a nervous system adaptation. And that's the first place we start inside the Confident Core method. Let's break down now what true embodied confidence looks and feels like. It's not always loud or extroverted. It's a nervous system that says, I'm safe to be here. It's breath that flows freely and unrestricted. It's posture that's relaxed yet rooted and grounded. It's movement that's responsive and fluid and not reactive. So let's actually do this together. I want you to try this mini embodiment moment with me. Place one hand on your heart, one hand on your belly, close your eyes if it's safe to do so, and take a deep inhale through your nose. Let it fill your rib cage all the way around, down into your belly and pelvic floor. And then exhale gently and feel your shoulders drop. That right there, that's the beginning of confidence. It's not in your mind, but in your body. Your body is starting to feel it. So here are 3 subtle signs your nervous system might be blocking you from feeling confident. You freeze when it's time to speak up or be seen. Your throat closes. Your body goes tense. You second guess every freaking decision or avoid making them at all. And this is a freeze or fawn response. Your system is prioritizing safety over certainty. And you also feel the need to perfect or over-prepare constantly. And that's a form of bracing. Your nervous system doesn't trust the unknown. And again, none of this means you're broken. It means your body is trying to protect you. And the pathway forward isn't through pushing, it's through presence. So inside my Confident Core method, we rebuild confidence through several methods. Somatic awareness, where we learn to listen to the body's cues without overriding them. Breath-led core connection, not just for abs, but for emotional stability and grounded presence. Feminine embodiment, movement, rituals, and regulations, practices that align with your natural rhythms, not against them. And spiritual sovereignty, reconnecting to your divine essence and inner authority instead of listening to everything outside of you. This is not a 30-day transformation challenge. This is a lifetime relationship with your body, with your nervous system, with your soul, and you don't have to do it alone. So if this video resonated with you, I invite you to take the next step towards reconnection. You can join me inside the Core Evolution Challenge, my sacred 30-day breath and body reset. or you can explore the Confident Core Method Journey, my 12-week embodiment immersion. And if you're not quite ready to dive in, you can download free resources to help you start reconnecting today. All of the links are waiting for you in the description below. And remember, you don't have to perform strength to be powerful. You don't have to fake confidence to be worthy of being seen, and you don't have to wait until you feel ready. You just have to return to yourself. And that starts with your breath, and it starts with one moment of softness, and it starts by trusting that your body already knows the way home. And that's it for now, so I will see you in the next video. And until then, stay grounded, stay present, and stay connected to your core.